Hi, Melissa. I wanted to let you know that I just reviewed your syllabus for your nursing course. My name's Jenny Figueroa. Nice to meet you. I wanted to let you know that I think it looks great overall. I love the detail that you put into the pact between you and the students, and also how your teaching philosophy really focuses on diversity. I also like that you have kind of that little caption with, if you need to contact me at any time, I will be available, and these are the hours that I am available for office hours. I feel that on mine, I probably didn't have as much accessibility for the students, which I'm sure they would really appreciate. It says to give one item of feedback that you could maybe change. So I was hoping to know a little bit more about you on the homepage. So where do you live, or what are the hobbies that you like to do? I think that would be fun and interesting for the students to know. And maybe you could just post like a little video or a picture of you doing a hobby. I think that might add a little bit of personalization to the website. And then one other source of feedback, I tried to do this with my site and I was having a difficult time, but at the bottom where it says log in now to the course, maybe you could make it bigger or highlighted, so they know that they can actually access the online course there. Otherwise, I think it really does look great. Good job, and I hope you get this video. Thanks. There's one of my doggies getting on our couch.